and happy Easter. Welcome back to my channel and happy Easter. It is currently Sunday at the moment. I have just gotten up and had breakfast and exchanged Easter eggs and stuff with my family, and now I'm just getting ready and I'm about to go for a big walk. I have been really into walking lately. I don't know why, probably because it's the only thing that we can do at the moment, but I'm so into walking, so I'm going to do that. I've had lots of chocolate for breakfast, as I can imagine all of you guys probably have as well. I did mean to start the vlog yesterday and actually the day before as well, but I picked up the camera, I started vlogging, and then I just never actually introduced the vlog. So here I am now. Hello, happy Easter again. Yeah, so pretty much Friday was Good Friday, so we didn't work that day. I just went for a big walk. I stayed home. I didn't really do anything else. Like, I was literally just in bed watching Netflix and YouTube, and yeah, went for a big walk. I had homemade pizzas, as you guys probably would have seen with Jesse. He came over and hung out for a bit. And then yesterday, like, same thing, didn't really do much, and then we just went to Jesse's parents' house for a Easter like lunch, just with Jesse and his mum and dad. So yeah, it's been pretty, like, definitely a different Easter this year to what we would normally experience, especially for the long weekend. The weather has been perfect, but we can't do anything, which is fine. I mean, we have plenty more Easters to come, but it's just, yeah, life just feels a bit different at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna go out. It's really sunny outside today, so I'm gonna go and enjoy the sun, and then I think Jess is coming over later tonight, so I'll give him his Easter gifts, which I'm so excited for. I love giving gifts to people, so I'm going to do that, and yeah, I will chat to you guys a bit soon, and I'll definitely take you with me on my walk and show you guys what I get up to while I'm getting some vitamin D, because let's be real, we all really need it at the moment. But yeah, I will chat to you guys soon. Good job. Good morning guys. It is Monday today. Sorry I haven't really been picking up my camera. I've been so bad at this whole vlogging thing this weekend. I haven't really been doing much, to be honest, so there hasn't really been too much to vlog. I did go on a massive walk yesterday. I think I walked like 8 kilometers, so that took us like 2 hours. So I did that yesterday, which I forgot to vlog and film any part of, but we just went around the river and just walked and walked and walked and walked. That was good. I felt really good after, and then I just came home and had dinner with my parents, and we just like caught up on the news and, you know, whatever else was going on. We watched a TV show. The only good thing to honestly come out of this at the moment is all the family time that I'm getting, because normally I'm a person that's like constantly on the go doing something, not in the house all the time. So it's been really nice to spend time with my family. Jessie came over in the afternoon for a bit. We did a bit of a DIY like thing, which I will show you guys in a minute because I'm just gonna go get it from the garage. But what time is it? It's currently 12:30. I've just had a shower. Please excuse these little catty. I'm just trying to keep my hair out of my face. I'm about to make an iced coffee, and then I got this banana bread mix the other day, so I want to make this. I think I need bananas. Yeah, I need to actually put bananas in it, and I only have 1 banana, so I'll have to see if we have any in the freezer. But yeah, I'm about to make an iced coffee and do some baking. I need to clean up my room a little bit. I think I might wash my car as well because it's filthy. And what else do I need to do? Oh, Mum wants to reorganize the linen closet. She's been really into the organizing stuff since I've been like doing my room. I did that like under sink of the kitchen, the sink under the kitchen the other week, and she really liked that, so now she wants to do the linen closet and clean all that up. It has been so cold the last few days in Sydney. Like at night time I've literally been freezing every single night, so I need to go put a blanket on my bed. I just have my quilt cover at the moment, so I need to add something extra. And yeah, I think that's about it. I was gonna film today, but I just am not really feeling it. Like I wanted to do like a sit down video, but I'm just not feeling it at the moment. I do have 2 weeks of holidays coming up from work, so I have plenty of time to film then. So for now I'm just gonna vlog and do what I feel like doing. But yeah, I think that's all I have to update you on for now. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my iced coffee as well, because my iced coffee, if I do say so myself, it's very good. So I thought I'd just show you guys that as well. And yeah, we'll chat to you guys a bit soon and let you know what I'm getting up to for the rest of the day. So these are the little containers that we DIY'd yesterday. Well, Jessie mainly DIY'd them. I just watched because I didn't want to stuff it up. But the containers were originally this white color on the outside, but we just got a can of this Dulux chalky finish matte. It's just this really nice pink color, and we just spray painted the outside of them. These were like a 10-minute touch dry thing. I'll see if I can show you. Yeah, that's like the true color of them, but these dried really quickly. We did 2 coats on them. First coat we waited half an hour, and then we did the second one, and they turned out really good. I am obsessed with how they look. I am going to be putting them in my room for like storage, but I really wanted them to be pink. So I actually seen this from one of my friends on Instagram. She had done it. So I just asked her how to do it, and it was really inexpensive to do. I think these containers were $6 each from IKEA, and then the can of spray paint was about $15 from Bunnings, which I can reuse again because there's still like quite a lot of paint left in there. So I've done 3 of them, which will be for my little shelf in my room, which I'll show you guys. It has like 3 little like slot things in it, so I'm going to pop them in there, and yeah, hopefully make that area look a little bit neater. Alright guys, so it is currently a few days later. I'm just about to edit this vlog and I realised that I forgot to film an outro for the vlog. So the last thing you guys would have seen would have been me cleaning my room. So yeah, it's now a few days later and I just wanted to quickly jump on and end this vlog for you guys so that I can finish editing and uploading it, because I've realised in most of my vlogs I always forget to make an outro. So here we are. I really hope you guys enjoyed this daily vlog that I have done. I'm on holidays from work soon, so I will be filming a lot more content then for you guys as well. I have a few other video ideas planned, so yeah, I will definitely be letting you guys know about them. And if you want to know more, definitely go over and follow me on my Instagram. It's where I post most of my stuff. I will leave a little thing on the bottom of the screen letting you guys know what my Instagram handle is, and I will talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video and definitely give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!